What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today, we're looking at one of the biggest crypto trading competition currently open for registration. BitBase BWTC 2026, an event built around teamwork, trading performance, and promotion pool worth up to 1M USDT. Now what makes this competition interesting isn't just the size of the pool. The main focus this year is the team-based format called Future Team Pro, where traders can build or join teams and compete together across multiple leaderboards. And here's the important part. If you want to participate in the team competition, you must join or create your team before July 9 because team formation closes on that day. So in this video, I'm going to explain exactly how BWTC 2026 works, how the reward structured, how to join, and what you need to know before participating. So let's get started. Before we dive into the details, I want to mention two quick things. First, if you're interested in joining BWTC 2026, make sure you use the registration link in my description down below. The link is connected to the campaign and ensures you're properly tracked. Second, don't confuse BitBase and BitBase ES. These are two completely separate companies. The platform we're discussing today is the bitbase.com. So make sure you're using the correct website and the link provided in the description down below. So what is BWTC 2026? BWTC stands for BitBase World Trading Competition. This year team is called Glory of Legend and the event runs alongside the 2026 football season. The competition features a dynamic promotional pool worth up to 1M USDT. Now, it's important to understand that this is not a fixed pool. The total amount unlocked depends on the number of eligible participants who join and trade throughout the event. As participation increases, more of the pool becomes available until it reaches the maximum cap of 1 million USDT. BWTC 2026 offers two separate competition formats. The first and most important one is Future Team Pro. This is the flagship event and receive 80% of the total pool. Participants form teams and compete together across multiple ranking boards. The second format is Trophy Picks, a solo competition where traders compete individually for the remaining 20% of the pool. Both formats are based on perpetual future trading USDT. So why this competition stands out? So let's talk about why BWTC is different from any trading competition we've seen before. Most competition focus almost entirely on trading volume. In other words, the more you trade, the higher the ranking. BWTC still concludes a volume ranking but introduce another important factor, return on investment or ROI. That means traders aren't only rewarded for activity. They also rewarded for efficiency and performance. This creates a more balanced environment where smart trading decisions can matter just much as raw volume. Another feature that stands out is the team-based structure instead of competing entirely alone. Participants can work together under a team captain, contribute toward team rankings, and climb leaderboards collectively. For many traders, the community aspect can make the experience more engaging and competitive. The platform also updates rankings regularly, allowing participants to monitor progress throughout the event. Overall, the combination of team competition, ROI rankings, and participation drive pool creates a unique format compared to standard trading contests. So how can you join on a BWTC? So now let's get through to the registration process step by step. Step 1, create your account. Start by clicking the registration link on my video description. When you see that link, my promotional code should automatically appear during registration. Always double check that the code is correctly applied before completing your sign up. Complete the KYC verification. The next step is identifying verification. Complete KYC is required if you want to be eligible for rewards and rankings. Without verification, you may not qualify for the competition benefits. Once your account is ready, visit the official BWTC event page and complete the competition registration. Registration form is open from June 22, 2026 until July 23, 2026. To register, participant must maintain more than 100 USDT in future account equity for at least 5 minutes. Early bird opportunity for participants who register during the early period between June 22 and June 25. Bitbase is offering a 20 USDT future trial credit. Keep in mind that this is trial credit, not withdrawable cash. However, profits generated from eligible trading activity may be withdrawable according to the platform rules. Choose your competition format. Now comes the most important decision. You can either join the team event called Future Team Pro or participate individually through trophy picks. If you're planning to join the team competition, remember this date, July 9 is the team formation deadline, even though registration remains open until July 23. Team creation and team joining end July 9. If you miss the deadline, you'll no longer be able to enter the team event. That's why anyone interested in the Future Team Pro should create or join team as early as possible. Understanding the rewards. So let's discuss rewards because this is where many people get confused. Most rewards in VWTC 2026 are distributed as USDT future trial credit. That means the credit itself cannot be directly withdrawn. However, profits generated from qualified trading activity using that credit may be eligible for withdrawal according to platform's rules. There is one major exception that the Top Captain Award is distributed in actual USDT rather than trial credit. So the pool is divided as follows. So 80% allocated to team competition and 20% allocated to solo competition. So reward distribution depends on ranking eligibility requirements and event conditions. There are no guaranteed rewards simply for registering. Participant must meet the competition requirements and ranking criteria. Final thoughts and call to action of this, guys. So the BWTC 2026 Bitbase Annual Trading Competition featuring a promotion pool 1M USDT. So the main attraction is the Future Team Pro competition where teams compete across volume ROI and capital leaderboards. There are also option called trophy picks for traders who prefer competing individually. Remember the most important date, July 9 is the deadline for the team formation. If you want to participate in the team competition, don't wait until the last minute. If you'd like to learn more, check out the registration link in my description down below. Complete the KYC verification and review the official event page of all terms and condition. So, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments whether you'll be joining BWTC 2026. So, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.